and the sun is up high in the sky. They say it's going to be in the low 80s today. Oh man, I wish I didn't have to work today. Well, but I do. I'm on my way to do a little inspecting in a house, and I want you to check out the different things that I'm going to look at. That, you know, a home inspector, when you get ready to buy a house or even sell a house, you've got to have a home inspector kind of do things around the house to check things out. Maybe you can check some of those things out first if you're selling a house before somebody picks it apart and wants to give you a lower price. Or if you're buying a house, there might be some things on there that the home inspector might miss, or something that you really want to have a look at and want to lower your offer because of this, that, or the other thing. So I'm going to go out and do a little bit of checking on a house and give you some tips on what I'm going to look at. But I sure wish I could go fishing instead. Whew. Go clean this garage. There must be something wrong here. Oh boy. Hey, there's no furniture in here. Hey, look at this. Hey, baby, what are you doing here?
Hi. There's a squirrel. I'm watching a squirrel down there.
You watching a squirrel? Where?
Yeah. He's behind that yellow bush down there.
Oh.
Now, he came scampering down here.
What's up here? There's.
Look at this place. Look at this house. Welcome to my house.
This is your house?
House. Yes.
Wow.
This is our house.
Look at that view, would you?
It's beautiful. Oh, look at he's standing in the bush. Look down now.
Oh, I see him.
Isn't he cute?
Look at
How
that.
can you do that?
He's right on that bush. What's he doing?
He's scoping everything out.
He's scoping it out, just like we're scoping it out.
Yeah.
I'm actually here to check on some doors to see if some of the doors are rubbing or something, because we're going to have a painter here. You know what?
Look what he's doing. He's eating
These walls look fine.
He's eating the blossoms.
These walls. Oh, I see him.
He's eating the little yellow
He is. Look at him.
flowers. Yeah.
Hello, little boy. Here he goes.
You see his little cheeks going. So cute. So I'm opening up the doors because I think that we need some airflow going through it.
Yeah. And we've got the air conditioners off.
Yes.
And it's nice. It's actually pretty nice in here. And I like the way it is because it's actually facing east, and it's only like 11 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is already over on
12:48.
the other side. Okay,
almost
12:48.
1 o'clock.
Okay.
But
I guess we did
it's
get
on
up.
the other side because we get the morning sun, and as soon as the sun hits mid-noon, then it's already starts to cool off. So
Yeah.
the house is in shade most of the day.
Yeah, I like that.
So it's nice and cool. We just walked in the door. We don't have anything on, and
No.
the house is really comfortable to sit in.
No? Yep.
And we're just kind of
Nothing in here.
Nothing.
I found my nail bag. We just had moved, and voila, I found it. It's right there. And
Oops.
my bag of goodies in there, and also another bag of goodies here. And I'm hoping I got enough stuff here to fix these doors, because I know some of these doors are rubbing, and I'm going to get to that in a minute.
Where's the power drill that you said you
It's over here. See?
Oh, goody.
It's right here.
Well, take them over to the entire house
Yeah.
and show them the house. I'm going to run back to the apartment.
Oh, okay.
Like that thing.
Oh, you're not going to be our tour guide? I guess I can walk through this. Because I'm going to make a couple different videos. I'm going to make one video of like a home inspection type video.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. She
right.
says I talk too much. But the more I talk, the more you learn, is what I tell people on my YouTube channel.
I'm
Okay.
going to take them through our front door.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this awesome
This great front door. that we
front door,
have.
this double door. I love it. I love
It's
it.
a big old
Yeah.
8 foot, is it?
Yeah.
Is it 8 foot?
Yep.
Door.
Yeah. Double
That's
doors.
solid wood.
Yes.
So it's a double solid wood door. And then here's our little garden,
Oh,
of
isn't
which I'm
that
going to
nice?
put my Buddha, I think,
You
at
are.
the top there. You see, look at that beautiful tree.
I know. When I saw that the other day, I thought it looks fake because
It's not.
no, I know that it looked fake because the flowers look so perfect.
And then there's a
Look
little
at that.
rose bush. I think my Buddha will fit, and she will love that tree. The tree will be her back.
And see, she wanted a Buddha somewhere in the garden, but she wants it facing east. And we're in the front of the house, and
Which is the west side of the house.
but it's
will
facing this
face
direction here,
yeah.
so it will be facing east just like you want, because we put it out on the deck. It's actually going to be,
Too much.
well, if we face her east, then you're just going to see the back of her, and you want to see the front of
I
her.
want to see her.
But you know what? We're not very seldom going to be using this front gate, but
But we'll have the blinds open all the time,
Yeah.
and so we'll be able to see her. And
Yeah.
then I'm going to have candles around.
Oh, that's
so
true.
that we can bathe her. And
you've got this stool that I don't know if the stool's going to fit up here. We may have to do something
we
funky
may have to just have.
to kind of wedge her in there.
rocks. I think we're going to have to just do some rock. Look at, they've thrown a bunch of leaves in the back here.
Oh, that's
So they
rough.
blow it, and then they throw it back here, and it's blocking the drain.
Oh,
So
over
we're going
there.
to have them open that up.
That's okay.
But I'd like to put maybe a tiki torch back here that we can.
This was supposed to be a video about fixing doors and stuff, but you know, we're kind of going off sideways here.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm just trying to figure out where we're going to put some of the stuff once it starts arriving
Yeah.
at the end of the month.
Well, that's a $100,000 question. Once it gets here, we'll find all kinds of nooks and crannies in here on where to put things, and some stuff we may have to get rid of. It just depends. But anyways, what was I going to show you first? Well, I can. Just about every room has a nice view too. This is going to be awesome. And you know what? There's going to be lots of things in this house that I'm going to have to fix. Certain different things. So you keep watching my videos, and I'm going to make anything that I happen to do over here. Don't worry, I'll make a video of it. You know, like this right here. We kind of wanted to put something along here, you know, like a dresser or something, and then we usually have the TV above the dresser, but not so right here. The bed's going to be fitting here. And we can't put a dresser against that wall. Guess what we're going to have to do with the TV? I'm going to have to mount it way up high there. And they had one over here. They had an old style one here before. And they did a good job taking it down and patching it and everything, but that'll be a separate video down the road. Me hanging our TV way up high. Do you think that's going to be up too high?
No, I think
when we're in bed?
It'll be fine. Because we'll be in bed here.
We'll be in
It'll
bed
fine.
here, looking up,
Yeah, it'll be
having the
fine.
fireplace down there. That's going to be cool.
It is gonna be cool.
It's going to be cool. And eventually, see, there's carpet in the bathroom. Eventually, I think we want to take that out and put some travertine down on the floor. That'll be something we'll have to check out later. Oh, wow.
Oh, and you know another thing?
What?
Since you're doing things today.
Oh no.
Can you take all of these covers off so that I
Oh.
can clean them?
Yeah, but you know what?
Please?
I don't know if I can reach those with
Oh,
my ladder.
Oh, yeah.
I've got
Would
to,
you
you know,
say essentially?
yeah, I've got to get an 8-foot ladder because these ceilings are 10 foot tall, so I'm going to have to go. That's not something I'm going to do today,
Okay.
I don't think. But that's something I'll put on my to-do list. You're going to have to start making me a honey-do list.
I will.
See, I mean, the walls were pretty good, and the reason, why are we painting these walls, by the way?
I want a fresh coat of paint.
And
It's our house, it's our new house. I want it to look good. I want a fresh coat of paint. It's like starting on a blank canvas.
yeah.
okay?
Well, and we did ask the previous owners when the last time they painted in here, and they said about 8 years ago. So,
Yes.
you know, usually paint you could probably go 10 to 15 years on paint, but it does make sense. Because we haven't moved anything in here yet, now's the time to paint. Because you're going to get different marks. Like that's where the TV was before, and you get different things where the pictures were before, and sometimes depending on
I'm gonna bring the vacuum cleaner too.
on the sunspots, sometimes you might see an area like, see right here, that's where a picture was. See, you can definitely see the outline of it.
Turn that off for a sec.
Ooh, look at that. What? You can talk. Go quick.
I'm gonna bring the vacuum cleaner back.
Why?
Because there's stuff on it.
Well, you know what you can use? You can use our new the vacuum to the house. Remember?
How do you do that?
Well, there's different ones. It's I forget, what do they call
There's
it?
one hose.
Yeah, what do they call it?
Central vac.
Central vac, the hose.
Oh.
Is it in
This
here?
one here.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. And see, they have two different ones in the house. This one's got little, like a cloth
And it
around
goes
it.
in here. Will it reach there?
Yeah, I hope so. And you find different little outlets here, and then you poke it in. I don't know. There's probably a certain way. And then it's got different fittings on it. Boy, maybe this isn't going to be a video of fixing anything just yet. It's going to be a video of how to work this vacuum. And it's got different attachments, which I kind of like. See, you got different little tools here for it. Okay, hold on. Let's see how this thing works. It's a central vac. I wonder what that was from, because we just had the carpets cleaned.
Oh, it's from the guy that was working on here.
Oh, that's right. He took this out. There used to be a keypad here, and I'm going to have to patch that. There was a keypad for the old alarm system. I'll talk to you about that later, I guess, about the old alarm system and why we decided not to use the old alarm system that's 17 years old.
How nice that was.
Yeah, that's like that. And you know what? I would think there's some places in the bedroom. Oh yeah, here, baby. There's one in the bedroom right here too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So you look around for central vac. They put all these little plugs in, and they generally they have them located in certain areas so that wherever you have to use it in the house, your hose will reach. And then there's a hose. I like the fact that they have a hose like that down in the garage. Actually, let me just show you that real quick. I think you saw it. You saw the very first part of this video. I'm not sure what we're going to name this video just yet. See, this is part of the central vac. It's located right here. Usually it's in the garage, and I like the fact that they generally put an outlet in the garage. You may think, why on earth do they have one in the garage? Well, usually what they do, kaboom, is they give you one of these hoses. Oh, you hear that? That went off because she's using it inside. They give you one of these hoses long enough, and I hope this is long enough, for your garage. Whoops. And then I can take the attachments, and then you bring the car in here, and then you can vacuum out the car with the central vac, which I think that's going to be a slick little thing right there. Granted, we do have two vacuum cleaners, one from one place, one from another, and we'll just have to have them, and we'll have those. I don't know where we're going to put those just yet, but anyways. Here they have, they used to have this whole system here. I mean, granted, this was back in the day. You remember? They had this thing full of different things, VCR and a sound system and all that. And then the TV actually fit in here. And we were kind of hoping to get a place where the TV could fit right there. And I don't think I want to put a big, huge TV up there. And because they have this built-in thing, you can only put a TV in there so big. And I guess that's just what we're going to have to live with.